Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss one more important question related to stacks. As part of this series we are covering the most commonly asked questions during placements and interviews. So this is the third question related to stack. Previously we have covered balanced parenthesis and simplify path question related to stacks. So now let's jump into this question, min stack. So here we have to design a stack that supports push, pop, top and retrieving the minimum elements in constant time. So min stack initializes the stack object. We have to implement the min stack class, and this is used to push the element wall onto the stack, and pop removes the element on the top of stack, and in top gets the top element of the stack. Int getMin retrieves the minimum element in the stack, and we must implement a solution with O1 time complexity for each function. So this is the input and this is output. So let's try to solve this question. So here in class min stack, let's first declare two stacks of integer type. So this stack is used to load the actual data, and we are going to create one more stack which is going to load minimum elements only in the stack. Okay, so now in the constructor let initializes two stacks. And initialize the min stack as well. Okay, so here we initializes both stack and min stack. Now we will go and write this method push interval. Okay, so now in stack we are going to load all the data, so just we need to add stack dot push, and we are pushing this value into our stack. And in min stack we are going to check whether our value is less than any previous peak value from the min stack. If it is true, then we are going to push this value into the min stack. So let's write this. If first let's check if our min stack is empty or not. Okay, so if min stack dot is empty, if our min stack is empty, or if this value is less than equal to min stack dot peak. So if this is the case, then we are going to push the element into the min stack. Okay, we are pushing this value in the min stack. So this is push method. Now in the pop function, so here let's first check if our stack is not empty. So we are going to check whether it is empty or not here. Now after this, let's check the peak value in the stack and the peak value in the min stack. If both are equal, then we are going to remove the element from min stack as well. If stack dot peak. Okay, if stack dot peak equals to min stack dot peak. So if the peak element of stack is equal to peak element of the min stack, in that case we are going to remove the element from min stack as well. So write min stack dot pop. Okay, and this is to check whether if both are equal, then we are going to remove the element from min stack as well, and we are also going to remove the element from stack. Okay, so let's say in any case both min stack and stack both have upper element 8. So now when we are going to pop the same element, then we need to remove it from both the stack and min stack. So that's why we write this function. Or if in case if stack top value is 8 and min stack top value is 6, in that case we don't need to remove the these 6. Okay, so if both are equal, then we need to remove from both stack and min stack. Okay, so this is all about pop function. So it is completed now. Now in the top element, in this top method, let's write it. First again we need to check whether if our stack is not empty. If not stack is empty, if this is true, then we need to return the top element. Okay, return stack dot peak. That's it. So you can see here int, so we are going to return something from this function. Okay, return stack dot peak. If this is not case, then just throw one exception, throw new illegal state exception, and just give a message that stack is empty. Okay, now let's write this last method, get min. So we have already made one min stack, so we just going to get the top element from min stack. So first let's check if min stack is empty or not. Okay, so here write it like this, min stack dot is empty, and then if it is not empty, then just return the top element from the min stack dot peak. That's it. And if our min stack is empty, then just throw here, just copy this line, throw new illegal state exception. Okay, that's it. Let's run our program and see if it is working or not. Okay, so we are getting an error in line number 30. Okay, okay, so case 1 is accepted. Let's try to submit it and see the result. So yeah, our code is accepted with 5 milliseconds runtime. And yeah, so that's all as part of this video. So we have covered all the important functions like push, pop, top and get min. And in this video we are using O1 as a time complexity for each function. So I hope you are able to understand this code, and if you like this video, then please share and subscribe it. Till then, thanks, bye bye.